All right, so we're gonna cut everything. We're gonna get everything lined up in order the way it should be. Once everything is cut, then we'll start assembling the frame. It'll be kind of like two pieces, two separate pieces that all tie together to make one bed frame. But I'm gonna build them like a top and bottom piece, kind of. You know, you'll just see. I did draw up some plans. I had to change a few things, but so far so good. We're right on track. So start getting everything cut. Should be able to do everything on the chop saw. Shouldn't need the table saw. I was gonna do some half laps, but that would be a lot of half laps. So I really don't like putting screws on the end grain, because whenever you put the screw in there, it tends to, you know, split because you're going through the end grain, not the face or something like that. But we'll just kind of see what happens. It'll be all right. So let's get that done. Got all the rails cut for the top, the bottom, both sides. I'm gonna lay them on the floor, screw them all together. I can't talk. Screw them all together, get the center pieces for like the support screwed in, and then I guess we'll take it inside and get the bottom pieces screwed on. I'm gonna double check my measurements. These are right angle clamps. I'll use these to hold everything in place. Make sure it's all square, and then I'll start getting the center pieces put in. So I'm going to use the center pieces for two reasons. For the first one, obviously you're going to need some support with this much length, and the second reason is because Lowe's nor Home Depot has straight wood whatsoever. All their wood is curved. Some of this wood is so warped and curved that it's probably better off being used as a rainbow or something. I don't know. But it's pretty bad. So those are a couple reasons. We're gonna put some center supports in here. I was just looking at this, and I was supposed to do two pieces and then butt them together to make one bigger piece. Instead, I made one big piece. I mean, not really a problem, but when I wrote down the actual dimensions, I didn't split them in half so I can make two pieces. I'm pretty much in here making two king size bed stands. So, I mean, I guess the only good side is I can still keep going and just, man, I cut all that wood for no reason. All right, sun's starting to set, so it looks a little weird in here with the sun coming through, but got all this stuff done. Now I get the legs cut, 2 feet. I've had a lot of change of plans on this one. So I'm gonna cut the legs, 2 feet, and then I've got some particle board back there. I'll cut it in half, put one piece over here, one piece over there, and screw it down, use some brad nails, and that's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic bed frame. I'm no professional, but I guarantee you it won't fall apart. You don't say anything. I've already made my cuts. I mean, my lines on here. This will go over half the bed. I'll cut the other piece. It'll go over the other half of the bed. Put a few screws in it, maybe some brad nails. That'll cover up the whole top, so you won't have all like, you won't see the frame and support and all that. Then it'll pretty much be done. Still haven't decided on color wise paint, but at least for now, the frame structure and everything will be done. So there it is, guys. Bed frame is finished. I put 2 sheets of particle board on top just to finish it out so the mattress has somewhere smooth and even to lay. That was my first bed frame, so if you haven't built something before, just go for it. I did leave, I know some of you noticed that the bed frame is bigger than the mattress, and that's because if I'm sitting on the edge of the bed, I like to have my feet like sitting on something so they're not all the way on the floor. So that's why I intentionally left that like a few inches bigger than the mattress itself. So I appreciate you guys watching. I know it's been a while since I posted something, so just stay tuned. There's more videos to come. So many more projects to do around the house. So make sure you guys subscribe if you think this video was interesting or if you like the video. I'll see you guys next time.